In this video, I'll guide you through how to create tags in Honeybook. Whether you're organizing projects or streamlining your workflow, using tags can be a game changer for managing everything efficiently. So let's dive in and see how you can set this up seamlessly. First things first, you need to open any project from your Honeybook dashboard. This might be a current project you're working on or even a past one, as long as it's accessible from your dashboard. Once you've selected a project, you'll notice a variety of options. Focus your attention on the right-hand sidebar where you'll find the project details section. This area is essentially the control hub for your project specifics and is where you'll be able to make adjustments like adding tags. Now, within the project details section, you're going to look for a field labeled tags. This is where the magic happens. Tags are a fantastic way to categorize your projects, making it easier to find them and keep track of related tasks or themes. Think of tags as labels that help you quickly identify and sort your projects based on criteria you set. Once you've located the tags field, you're ready to create your new tag. Simply type the name of your desired tag into this field. It can be anything that makes sense for your organizational needs. For instance, you might want to use tags to sort projects by client name, project type, or even deadline urgency. The key is to make it intuitive for you. After typing the name of your new tag, all you have to do is hit enter. This action will save your tag and associate it with the selected project. It's as straightforward as that. With your new tag in place, you'll have a much easier time managing and locating your projects, especially as you add more and more to your Honeybook system. Remember, tags are not set in stone. You can always go back and edit or delete them as your needs change or as you refine your organizational system. This flexibility is what makes tags such a powerful tool in Honeybook, allowing you to tailor your project management approach to suit your unique workflow. And there you have it, the simplest way to create tags in Honeybook. Implementing this small but impactful change can significantly enhance how you manage your projects, helping you save time and reduce stress. By organizing your projects with the tags, you're setting yourself up for better productivity and a more streamlined work process. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, make sure to check out other guides to get the most out of your Honeybook experience. Don't hesitate to explore and experiment with different tag strategies to see what works best for you. Happy organizing!